Good morning people, what is happening? We are now on day 10 of isolation, but I believe this is isolation vlog 9, I want to say. Anyway, I'm a little bit worse for wear this morning purely because when I got in from yesterday's shoot, I went and got myself 4 Guinnesses and a pizza and I nailed the lot. Because I'm used to eating healthy so often, it's taking its toll on me a little bit today, so my throat is a little bit croaky. I'm not full of energy like I normally am. It's just a chill Sunday. I mean, I don't really do it often, so, you know, once in a while is okay. And I hit my goal weight of 79 kilograms on Friday.
Cheap meat!
So I thought I might as well treat myself a little bit. So Steve, if you're watching this, I would have made you proud last night, pal. I nailed the lot, like all 4 cans, and I was fairly ropey towards the end of it. That's why last night's vlog was a little bit later, because I was a little bit tipsy editing it. Hopefully the picture on this is a little bit better and the audio is a little bit crisper. The bits from Amazon came yesterday. I got a field monitor where I can plug it into my big camera and essentially watch myself. Now, usually I put all my vlogs on this little thing. This is my new Sony RX100, and as you can see, it's got a flip out screen, so it's perfect for vlogging like that. Now, the past 7 vlogs have mainly been filmed on this and this little thing. This is a GoPro Hero 5. I use this for my new car shop. That is really easy and it's quite nice to set up as well. I just put it on my dashboard, connect my phone and start recording, and that is the majority of yesterday's car shots is filmed on this little thing, and it films in 4K. I shoot in 2K and then downres it to 1080 so the picture is clear. So yeah, I'm shooting the majority of my standstill shots now on the big Sony a7S II. What I've got planned for today is I need to edit all my pictures from Durham Massey yesterday. I'm going to edit all the Salford Keys nighttime pictures that I took with Jamie the other night because I've not got around to doing them. So yeah, it's just a chill Sunday really. I've had my breakfast, had a fry up. It's Sunday. I'm not too sure where to go today. I don't know. We'll see where the Sunday takes us. So I'm going to get to it, get in the shower, get these photos edited. I am now out of the house. It is currently 20 to 4 on Sunday. I've edited all my photos, put them on my Facebook 4, so if you get a chance, maybe just go and have a flip through, see what you think. Danny Lee has got some new spicy burgers that I really wanted to try, but because he's lazy, he won't come and meet me and do a video. So if you're watching this, Danny. But yeah, I really want to get back in the studio and film some content with him, because last time we did that it was very, very funny and we got a great response from the videos that we uploaded. So I know that Iceland have brought out their latest spicy burgers, or whatever they're called. Sort of like the Carolina Reaper spicy burger. And also Dino's music video gets released today, so I'll link that in the description of this video, because I know a lot of you are looking forward to seeing the end result from my behind the scenes footage yesterday. How are you? Good.
They will catch.
Will there? Nah, I'm not having it.
It's going now, look.
There's nothing going about
I'm
that.
getting the fucking safety cap. Child protection.
What's this, Danny?
That's not it's a burner burger.
What's a burner burger?
Don't eat it, it's just to get the juices flowing. How long are them sausages Turkish?
Japanese Turkish.
These are what are the Iceland?
Iceland, yeah.
Iceland Carolina Reaper burgers.
That's a shot, that. Oh, I'm ready for this.
This isn't the story for the vlog. Has anyone ever told you? They was all just looking at me like that. The fridge, I could see him out the corner. I thought, why are you fucking staring at me like that? Has anyone ever told you like Vin Diesel? Fuck off.
You do look like you, I don't care what anyone says. You happy?
Wait for these bad boys.
Right, Saz. Hey, you good?
Right, go on.
Trying to put the t-shirt on while doing an handstand challenge. Hey, Joanna. Joanna.
I think you're a bit too far away from the wall.
Fucking easy, that.
Oh, I can't even do a fucking handstand.
Come on, get it on, quick. What is going on? I'm not sure what I'm watching here. Oh, I'm nearly done, me. Where's Sarah going? Jesus.
You're well further out than what I was.
Ah! Yes. Fucking yes. For burgers. Ooh, they're right, that.
Will it?
Oh, aye. Gotta blow your head off these. Ramsey style. Moaning Fred. Who's Moaning Fred?
Morning Myrtle.
Are we on?
We're on. We're recording.
Only one sauce for the job today.
How much salad have you got on that fucking burger?
I missed the burger. It's all round.
Do you want any burger with your salad?
Get it on. I'm really looking forward to this.
Right, that is a double stack Iceland Carolina wheat
Nasty!
burger. You ready?
I might be able to get my fucking mouth around it.
That's what she said.
That's what she said!
Oh.
You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
I feel something coming though.
Nah.
No?
Yeah, now I can.
I don't know whether it's going to get worse or...
Very tasty.
Recommend them.
Not mega hot either.
Nah. And that's two burgers as well.
I genuinely think that is hotter than the burgers.
Definitely. Good old Daddy Cool getting a little plug.
See, normally I would plug in, but he's fucking removed me off social media, so
I'm sure you'll see the vid.
if you're watching this, Steve,
Yeah, good then.
he's alright, you.
I was took a nosedive in there. Yeah, it's got a little tongue thing.
Got a little tongue thing apparently. Getting up.
Just a little something, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not nothing, mate. It's nice though. It's like it's an alright hot. If Proctor was here now, he'd already be done. Be on his way home.
Oh. Getting a brief intake of air now.
Yeah, feeling it now.
Yeah. Out of 10, how hot would you say that is?
5 6 no, 9 creeps.
3. 3 or 4. It's a creeper.
I didn't want to throw it in. I thought it gets thrown out every time. That.
It's warm in the mouth.
It's on my tongue.
I can feel it on the tongue, but
It's warm in the mouth, but it's not mega hot.
Who's that?
I think I've got salad on my head. What's that on my head? It is salad. How have you got salad on
I
your
told you I
head?
got it everywhere.
What do you think of the burgers, Dan?
Decent.
Yeah.
I'm still giving it a bit.
Yeah.
Good then. Next week, we'll grab a couple of boxes. Bank holiday, innit?
Danny, drop the fence. It's bank holiday, innit?
you don't need an excuse.
Hey, drop the fence. It's bank holiday, innit? When you ask Danny Lee to give you some chicken at the barbecue, this is how he gives it you. Yeah, nice one, mate. What's supposed to do with that?
Just finished up at the Lees. We had a bit of a barbecue going on. We reviewed the burgers. They weren't very hot, if I'm going to be perfectly honest. I'm sure, well, obviously you would have seen the footage by the time you get to this clip, but they weren't great. They were tasty, but they weren't hot at all. I have just received the final version of yesterday's music video, and it's absolutely incredible. I'm so happy with the way it's turned out. Myself and Danny Proctor put a lot of work into that video. Like yesterday, even though we were only on the cameras for 3 hours, there was a lot of like thought that went into all the shots, and obviously I've been speaking with Danny today, and You know, Danny's put a lot into the editing today, and I'm super happy with the way that it's turned out. So at the end of this vlog, I'm going to put the video in there. So stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled, and let me know what you think of the video. I'm gonna head home now, finish up the vlog for today, get that out there, get a nice bath. I'm gonna try and get in bed a little bit earlier tonight. Absolutely shattered. So hope you enjoyed my Sunday. As always, if you can drop me a like or a comment on the video, I would appreciate it. And I will see you guys tomorrow at the same time.
Five niggas on standby, niggas better act right, it could get tense. I don't need to pretend I'm real in a booth and real on lens. Show man, niggas ain't road man, I could talk roads, can't bean on them. Yeah, try and make 20s and 10s, if it don't make dough, they don't make. I was out for the whole day, licked 10 shots to the toll gate. Young fly nigga, no soul plane, try and make moves like Soul Train. Come a long way from pushing out sacks like Coltrane, trying to get ahead like Kobe. Free that nigga from slavery, the wigger nigga left with no chain. Okay, now I'm on job, let me get this. Niggas say they real, I'm a skeptic. I've been up in the T, but no tech list. Until I peak, I won't exit. Treacherous, niggas want beef, start texting. Real CV, don't test it. Rise and eat now, right? Try eat no breakfast. Grind with the team invested. Check this, I don't give a fuck right now. Whole team getting shut right down. Don't get caught in the hype, try ting, get took right out. Direct, yo, I'm in the cook right now. I was down, but I'm up right now. M's up right now. Yo, I'm my stuff right now. What you telling me?